Okay, guys, this is part 2 of what's it called? Part 2 of packing. My socks. And they're there. And now we're gonna pack pajamas. Okay, so I think I was gonna do these pants. Mom?
Yeah.
Is it gonna be cold in the night?
Yes, they'll want warm clothes.
Okay, so for pajamas, I'm gonna bring these ones. Okay, so these are my pajamas. I'm gonna put a pile of 8 pajamas, so that's gonna be pajamas. Find a shirt for that. This one. Staying there 3 nights, so I'm gonna bring 3 pairs of pajamas. Guys, I might have to leave soon because it's getting pretty late. You'll know some of the stuff that I'm packing. And then I'm gonna bring another resort. Okay. I always want to bring, a little stuffy with me. So I'm gonna pack this in my backpack. This one's like a really special one. That's the 3rd pair. And then for the other, we'll just bring on this dress one. Okay. We're gonna put this one here. This one here. This one right here. I'm gonna pack my normal clothes. I'm gonna pack 2 swimsuits. Okay, guys, so I'm just getting the swimsuit, and I do not know which one to pick. Okay, I brought my 2 one-piece swimsuits, and they're like a little open right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and take these. Don't even know full swimsuits. Okay, I'm gonna put the swimsuits into this little pot. Oh wait, that part's flat. Oh yeah, Mom, this is perfect. Mom, this stuff. Perfect.
Oh, yeah, I that in case.
This is for like bug bites and stuff.
Do you want to bring your lunch?
Yeah, that's yours.
It's ours together.
You wear it every single day. I never had a chance to wear it.
It's a Lichtenstein sweatshirt.
Mom, stop being cringy. Yeah. Being chilly.
2 swimsuits.
Okay, now I need to pack my clothes. It has a little thing on the side. Mom, I want to go to Claire's and get that candy pencil case. It's so cute.
Okay, so let's talk about what you're wearing for jammies.
These are jammies. I got pants.
Okay, we only need 1 thing of jammies
Why?
because we don't need to overpack. So just wear the same thing for jammy.
What if I get hot though? Can I just bring a pair of shorts?
Yeah, that's fine. Or you can bring that set. That's fine. Just bring that set. Yeah, you're right. But we don't need this one. Because in the nighttime, you're gonna want probably a sweatshirt. It's gonna get cold, so you're gonna want
I know. I'm
pants
packing
or sweats. Yeah.
Girl, I would
So do you need these and sweats, or why don't you just sleep in sweats?
No, I cannot sleep in these.
Okay, well, we'll just bring
Too
these.
thickety thick. I'm gonna bring these sweats. How many?
Just 1 pair, or the green ones too, if you want. Whatever. You maybe I don't know what you want to wear tomorrow. maybe you want to wear the green ones tomorrow. Why don't you leave those out and then I'll pack these.
And then I probably want to wear a t-shirt and a slip-up.
And then you have to think about what you want to wear for hiking on Saturday because we might go for a little hike. A really low-key hike.
Hiking?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what do I want to wear? Do I want to wear an oversized shirt? I want to wear this shirt. Don't even know if it matches, but it's fine. Now we gotta pack. How many pairs of clothes do I have to pack?
Just something for Saturday.
Saturday.
And then
I don't even know. Like, I'm not good at hiking. Like,
Well,
I'm
bring
not
your
good at-
Nike shorts. Your pro Nike Pro shorts.
Oh, which ones? What ones?
Yeah. And then whatever shoes you want to hike in.
Mom, we got hiking.
Well, we can bring the hiking shoes if you want, or you can, but it's not going to be a hefty hike like that, so you can just wear your
Oh.
Crocs too if you want.
Okay.
Like black Crocs or something.
Okay. I'll wear my crayons.
Okay. So maybe wear those tomorrow with that.
We gotta find a
And
shirt.
then what shirt?
You wanna wear like an oversized shirt? Or like, I can wear this shirt.
No. Probably your zip up, your gray zip up. For like around the fire and at night, maybe. Or where's your
I
black
could wear
zip
this
up?
shirt.
What?
I mean, it's probably right here. That's why I saw.
Yeah.
This shirt, the California one. Okay, now for the
Yeah.
outfit for. Or is this my only outfit?
Well, Saturday and then Sunday you want something, but you're gonna be. Yeah, Sunday you got sweats and then maybe one of your shirts.
One more shirt or two?
Maybe this.
Oh, I don't want to bring them. I don't want to look good. I could wear
Can you bring some mineral?
yeah, and then I'm gonna bring this shirt because it's colorful.
Okay. Okay. And then,
Wait,
You-
don't. I need to pack some of my skincare.
no, you don't, babe. It's not that type of.
Yes, I do.
You don't, babe. It's,
Yes, I do.
honey, trust me. Like, it's not that type of place where you're gonna be doing skincare, baby.
Mom, I'll be right. Wait. Okay, fine. Then I have to bring my highlighter. You have to let me bring my
Bring the
highlighter
highlighter.
and lip gloss.
And then, can you go get the black zip up from
Can
downstairs?
I just bring my CeraVe? It's good for dry skin.
Your what?
My CeraVe. This one.
Sure, yeah.
Okay.
Here,
Yeah.
put it right here for now. Okay, perfect. And then,
Do we need any
oh,
more
can you
hair
want to
stuff?
bring the? Yeah, we'll get that tomorrow after you're done doing your hair. and then-
Cleansing?
The wipes,
Which ones? I like these ones.
whichever ones you want. And then your black zip up downstairs. We need that.
Don't you want to bring this one?
Or that one. I was just thinking. Okay.
I like this
Well,
one.
if you wear this one, you can put this over it.
I like this one.
So that one will go with your gray one. Like if you wear your green, you can wear that together.
Actually, I'm just gonna wear the shirt that I wore today with it. Because it matches black. Okay. That's good, right? What time are we waking up? Really early or
We're
like?
trying to leave by 11.
Oh, that's not bad. I usually wake up at 9 or 10.
There we go. So you got that. And then let's put these back. Shorts for you.
And I got underwear and socks in.
You got underwear and socks? Did you get long socks too? Because those are sometimes kind of cozy when you're
We can.
gonna bring
Where's
those.
my Christmas one? Oh, these ones.
Okay, you can bring those. Can you bring these ones too?
Yeah.
like that's good.
I mean, we're gonna kind of be swimming too. Most kind of the time.
Well, let's bring the bear, yeah?
Oh yeah. But I want to sleep with down the car. Sleep. Ivy usually never falls asleep.
You'll wear your black Crocs tomorrow.
No.
You want to wear your pink ones? Then go grab your black ones so we can put them in here.
Well, you have to talk to them at least. Not
Okay.
keep them waiting. You just sit in my chair.
Hey guys. Didn't know we were filming. Hello. We're going to the Hood Canal tomorrow. Super excited. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be totally awesome.
Mom, did you keep them waiting?
I was talking to them.
What did you say?
Listen. Hello, didn't know we were filming. We're going to the Hood Canal tomorrow. Excited.
Can't wait to go to bed.
Yeah, me too. Okay, and then do you want to bring one of these? That might be good. We'll put that in there. Which one do you want to bring?
Lavender? Are we gonna bring my?
Do you want to bring it?
I said lavender.
Oh, whoops.
And you're gonna put some on your anti-slide?
So that's your outfit for tomorrow? And you're going to wear your pink Crocs with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Comfy girl.
The girl slay.
You're not listening. I'm joking.
Here, maybe you wear these tomorrow. And then I think that's
I'm
good.
gonna be hot, dude.
Look at us.
Mom, is there a windy road to Hood Canal?
I can't remember, babe.
Well, you have to tell me. God.
I know, but we're not gonna. This isn't a trip about iPads, Kennedy. So you're not gonna have your iPad when
Mom,
you're there.
I know
Okay,
that.
I just wanted you to know that you're not gonna be sitting in the tent on your iPad. You can be playing games and doing other things.
Okay.
So don't think you're gonna get your iPad.
Anyways, my new nail. Should I make a card for my teacher? Mom! I'm making a card for Miss Todd for when I get back.
Okay. You have 2 minutes, Kennedy.
I can't find a piece of paper. Mom, can you get me a piece of paper, please? Okay. I know I can just go get it. I don't want to leave you guys. Okay, I'll be like 9 seconds. Nine. See? What are you using a bombastic side eye for? What the? Oh, okay, guys. But I also want you guys to see. So, let's do that. Trying to see my mirror and you go. Oh! Also see my paper. Please stay for me. Okay. If this knocks down, you can kind of see, okay? Don't knock down. Okay. So, first we're going to fold it. I have to get off very, very soon. Okay. Fold it. Like a card. don't even know what favorite color is. But we're just gonna use one of my pens. The pens are right behind my iPad. Sorry about that. Okay. What pen do we use? We're gonna use my blue one. My really cute one. Okay, so what should I say on the front? I'm gonna say #1 best teacher. Okay, I want you guys to like see it while I'm writing. This pen is like not good. I'm trying to think of this. Okay, I'm gonna write a pencil and like notebooks. Oh no, makeup. I'm gonna take another pen to my cuter. I have a bunch of cute pens. I got these ones. I broke one of them, but it's okay. Okay, so now we're gonna write like one of those like science things. Like I'm gonna write a bunch of like school things on the card. You won't be able to see me who went them down here, so I'm gonna start like right here. It's like one of those curvy things, and then you go up into one of these, and then you go like that. Well, I think Miss Todd's my favorite teacher.
Already?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's crazy. You already know that. It's pretty cool. I love that. Alright, honey.
I don't know Miss Todd's favorite color. I'll just do green.
Or purple.
Mommy, I want colored pencils. Like my own, like 24. Like we need to get them at Target.
Okay.
I'm gonna use, I can use my highlighter markers.
Okay, you have to wrap it up now.
With this?
No, this.
Oh, okay guys, I have to go. See you guys later.